After trying out this recipe, you would wish you'd known it a long time ago. So this mixture instantly wakes up dormant hair follicles, thereby boosting hair growth, stopping itchiness and dandruff, helps to reduce breakage and give you a healthier hair naturally. No chemicals, very affordable, plus it's just 3 powerful ingredients that you already have at home. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to my channel at Everyday with Mandy. So on today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make this powerful recipe that you will use on your wash days. And you know what that means, your wash days is about to become more interesting because you won't just be washing your hair, you will actually be feeding your scalp with nutrients that wakes up dormant follicles, fight dandruff and promotes real visible growth. To prepare this recipe, the first ingredient to be needing is coffee. This is the brand of coffee I'm using. You can use any other brand. You can use instant coffee or ground coffee. If you're using instant coffee, please make sure it's pure instant coffee and not the 3-in-1 types that contain sugar and milk, because that can cause buildup on your scalp. So please make sure your coffee is pure instant coffee if you're using instant coffee. So all we need for this recipe is just 1 tablespoon of coffee. Coffee is rich in caffeine, which helps stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach the hair root. This helps wake up dormant hair follicles and encourages new hair growth. Coffee also contains natural antioxidants that protect the scalp from free radical damage, which can weaken the hair over time. It also has exfoliating properties that helps to remove dead skin cells and product buildup, leaving your scalp clean and refreshed. Our next ingredient is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder helps to strengthen the hair shaft, reduce breakage and thinning while promoting a healthy scalp environment for continuous growth. And over time, it can help your hair feel thicker, cleaner and more resilient to breakage. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that makes it effective in reducing dandruff, scalp irritation and itchiness. And it's also great when it comes to increasing blood flows in your scalp, which in turn encourages faster and stronger hair growth. And we'll also be needing just 1 tablespoon of our cinnamon powder. And that brings us to our next ingredient, which is ginger powder. I honestly didn't remember I was almost out of ginger powder before I started making this recipe. So please, when you're making yours, add 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. Ginger is one of the best natural stimulants for hair growth. It contains gingerol, an active compound known to improve blood circulation and nourish hair follicles, resulting in stronger and healthier hair strands. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which helps to sort the scalp, fight dandruff and prevent buildups that can clog follicles. Ginger also helps to strengthen weak hair strands, reduce excessive shedding and promote smoother, healthier hair. It has a warming effect on the scalp, which boosts nutrient absorption and encourage continuous hair growth. So after combining your powders, it's always best to sieve them to remove any lumps or coarse particles. This will help create a smoother mixture that blends easily, prevents residues and feels gentle on the scalp. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've not yet liked, okay? And if you're new on my channel, also do well to hit the subscribe button and join this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to Everyday with Mandy. After sieving, the next thing you're going to be adding is half a cup of any of your favorite shampoo. Yes, the regular shampoo that you normally use to wash your hair. If you feel half cup of shampoo won't go around your hair or won't do you on your wash day, please feel free to add more shampoo into this powder, okay? And after that, you're going to just go ahead and give this a proper stir. Stir this properly to dissolve all the powder, making sure there are no lumps in the mixture. And after mixing that properly, we are going to cover this up and allow it sit for an hour. This is so that the ingredients can activate and infuse properly into the shampoo. So this was after an hour. From looking at this, you can tell that the ingredients have fully infused and activated. The next thing we are going to be doing is to give this one more stir. Then go ahead and strain it using a clean cloth or a fine sieve in order to remove any residue. Please, you don't need to skip this process. This is very important. You can see all that residues. You don't want them left on your hair after washing your hair, so please make sure to strain this properly. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and pour this into my applicator box. I'm just doing this process so that I don't mess up the whole place, because I won't be washing my hair in the bathroom. So using this on your wash days, you're not just washing your hair, you're stimulating blood flow, unclogging buildups, and giving your hair the natural boost it needs to grow stronger, thicker, and healthier. So instead of using just shampoo that only cleans, this one works deeply to repair, strengthen, and refresh your scalp, leaving it clean, nourished, and full of life. Now let's jump into the best way you can use this shampoo in order to enjoy all its benefits. So because I won't be washing in the bathroom, I'll just go ahead and spray in some water on my scalp and my hair. So you don't need to do exactly this. What you will do, just go ahead and pour water on your hair, just the way you do when you're washing your hair. Just soak your hair with water before applying the shampoo. So after your hair is well soaked with water, you will now start the application of this shampoo. Make sure you target your scalp. After all, that's where the growth takes place, and that's where all these issues, dandruff, clogged pores takes place, right? So please make sure you are targeting your scalp. You might likely want to section your hair so that you can get through to your scalp easily, making sure every part of your scalp is well coated and covered with this shampoo. As I apply, I'll be using my fingertips to scrub my scalp and spray the shampoo all over my hair. So after you cover all your scalp with this shampoo, you're going to go ahead and use your fingertips to massage gently for a few minutes. This will boost circulation and help the ingredients penetrate to the roots of your hair. After massaging for a while, you're going to be allowing this to sit on your hair for about 5 minutes so that your scalp can absorb all the nutrients. I would like to take you through again on why this shampoo is worth adding to every wash day. So the caffeine in the coffee and the gingerol in the ginger activate dormant hair follicles, thereby stimulating hair growth. And the cinnamon and ginger keeps the scalp clean and balanced, fighting dandruff and itchiness. So while using this shampoo, you don't need to worry about dandruff or itchy scalp anymore. This shampoo helps improve scalp circulation, promoting faster, stronger, and healthier hair. Plus, it cleanses your hair, removes buildup without stripping your hair of its natural oils and moisture. So you're going to be using this once a week or bi-weekly, depending on how often you wash your hair. So after leaving this to sit on my hair for 5 minutes, I went ahead to rinse it off. Then I followed up with my shampoo. And from mere looking at this hair, my hair felt so soft, clean, and refreshed. My scalp felt light and really stimulated, like it just got a good deep cleanse. This also gave my hair this natural shine that makes it look so healthy, as you can see. Honestly, this is one of those wash day mixture that leaves your hair and scalp feeling completely renewed. I can bet with that. So if you want your wash days to actually boost growth instead of just cleaning your hair, then this is something you should try and keep as part of your routine, and you'll be surprised at how much difference it makes over time. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to like, share, drop a comment, and subscribe for more natural hair growth videos right here on Everyday with Mandy. Also, please drop a comment because I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Until next time, take care of your scalp because healthy hair always starts with a healthy scalp. Bye.